everybody, so today you guys are gonna have to look for that Penn Central video that I'm gonna be posting. Probably my second time doing this. I don't know if I made one, if I did, just let me know if I did, because it will be coming today, sometime today. So if it does not come at all today, sorry, but it will come sometime today or tomorrow. See you guys later. And now I gotta use the bathroom. Okay. Bye guys, just watch out for that train. And guys, to the real vendors out there, watch out for that Penn Central thing. It's coming from Newark, and it's supposed to come to Piscataway, and then go to Pennsylvania. I do not know where his final destination is, but all I know is that he's starting in Newark, so you guys have to watch for that, alright? And goodbye, guys. I'm sorry